So in the next session, we are going to look at converting strings to lower or uppercase. So that's how we do it in Python. I'll create another string here again so that we can use it. So let's start with one string. Let's say string. Let's see. I'll create it again here. So if I have the string and I want to convert to lowercase, then I can say my string dot lower. Let's say dot lower. And then I'll just execute the command. So now everything is in lowercase. Let's try another one. Let's say my string 2. This time let's use our uppercase. Let's say hello world. If I want to change it to lowercase, I'll just say my string 2 dot lower. So this has been done for me. So this means that if you're going to change it to a lowercase or uppercase, you need to specify that string object first. Okay, so once you do that, then it becomes easy for you to manipulate them using the inbuilt functions in Python. So this is how we do it. Okay, so we've done that. We've converted or we've changed a string to lowercase. Now let's look at how we can change to uppercase. Now before I even do that, let's look at something here. You may have your DNA sequence, let's say like this. Let's say A, G, T, C like this. So if you want to change it to lowercase, then it's dot lower. Then you get it in lowercase. Now let's look at the uppercase. So for uppercase, let's use a DNA sequence first. I'll just do that here. I can say DNA equals, let's say ATGC. So to change to uppercase, then it becomes DNA dot upper. So this is how we do it. Or sometimes you will have it in a lowercase like this, and then maybe for formatting reasons, or you want to present them in uppercase, then you can just use this to do that. Let's try another one. Let's say Bioinformatics. This is a string, so I'll just say dot upper. So I'll have that also given to me. There's another thing we can do. Sometimes you can have your string all in lowercase. And then maybe because it's a name, let's just try this. Let's use something here. Let's use this name. My name equals, let's say Bioinformatics. If this is a name, and then you want to have the first character as capital, so then you can say my name dot capitalize. Let me just confirm from here. I have some stuffs here that we can check. Okay, it should be somewhere here. Okay, yeah, so we have done that. So my name dot capitalize. So this is a Z. Take note of that. So now you see that the first letter has been capitalized. So this is how we change the cases when dealing with strings. Okay, so let's continue. Let's move on to the next activity. So